Oh, here we go. Detail check, tile layout, hexagon is in, another one. So what I like to do is draft fit my tile to see where I'm gonna have to make all my cuts, how it's gonna lay out, design, this, that, and the other. What I'm looking for though is having the same size pieces cut front and back. So if I was doing this pattern, which the lines, these, well, it's kind of difficult on a hexagon because I'm telling you the lines are gonna go this way with this pattern, but with that pattern, the lines go that way. And which I mean by lines is, I guess, your X and Y axis lines, right? So this would be what, X axis going across horizontal, and then your Y axis would be going this way. So depending on how you lay the hexagon, you lay it this way, where you got your points on the outside, or you can lay it this way, where you got your points top and bottom. So with the points on the outside this way, we have like a 3-inch gap coming to the tub with a full piece down here. And to make the pieces even, I will push this down until that 3 inches became, say if this was 12, that 3 inches becomes, let's see, if this is 12 and that's 3 down there, we add 3, that'd be 6, this would be 9. And then we have to split 3, so it'd be 7.5, 7.5 to make it even cuts for that design. But we figured out we're going with this design where the lines are vertical, and so with that, it's side to side. And we got lucky here. We only got an even gap on each side that can get covered by the baseboards. It's gonna get different when the walls change, but at least there we have even spaces. Now, front and back, with the points facing this way, we'll have to cut off a little bit off of that one, and it'll be even with the one on this side, I believe. Actually, we'll have to go draft fit that or measure it. And the other thing I look for on my draft fit is how you gonna cut the hexagon. So with the snapper, it all depends on which way you gotta make the cut. So on a bathroom this long, I would rather have my tile go this way where the lines are horizontal. That way, on all my side cuts on the wall, I could put this against that flat, cut it, and it goes right against the wall. And it's a lot of those cuts, so it's easy to make this snapper cut. And if I would do that, I would make sure it's not one of these situations. You know, I gotta fill in a little piece and it might not snap good. I would draft fit it to the point where I would at least get enough meat where I can snap it good and it fit against the wall. Ideally, that's how I would rather do it, but with the pattern on the tile and the design, it's just gonna look better with the lines going vertical, and then this alligator snakeskin looking design on the tile is gonna face that way with the lines going that way, the longer lines going that way, right? That can be random, or you can keep the pattern congruent, keep it together that way, right? So we're gonna keep the pattern together on the tile, go vertical this way. But now, the other cut is this cut, which is a little harder because there's nothing flat against it, but you can still make the cut. This is my first test cut here. Let me see. Alright, it's gonna be a little difficult doing it that way. This way, it's a lot easier. Hold on, take two.